So today, guys, I'm going to be making dump cake with peaches. For the ingredients, what you'll need is a can of sliced peaches. Some people prefer not to have light syrup or syrup at all, but this one is light, so we're in the good for that one. You'll need a yellow cake mix. This will be your crust. This will be your crust. As for the ingredients, you'll need ground cinnamon, nutmeg if you prefer, vanilla extract, and brown sugar. So right now I just have the oven on medium heat, and I'm going to go ahead and cut these peaches open, add them in the pot. Okay guys, so I have my peaches in the pot, and I am basically making sure that each peach is covered in juice. Like, it has to be covered in the juice. These peaches are super sweet. Super, super sweet. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and grab our vanilla extract, and we're going to put 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and get 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. One teaspoon vanilla extract. Now I'm grabbing my nutmeg and adding a half a teaspoon of nutmeg. We're going to do 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. So now I'm taking my ground cinnamon and I'm just going to shake this inside. Okay guys, so now I'm grabbing some brown sugar, and I am pouring a half a cup of brown sugar into, like so. Gonna grab a spoon and go ahead and stir all of this goodness. And so I'm just gonna keep that on medium high. Stir that up. I'm gonna let it blend a little more, and then I will go ahead and taste the mixture. Which I'm not adding any more sugar at this point, so it doesn't even matter. When it's in the syrup, it is super sweet. So guys, be careful. You can get the other kind that's not in the syrup, but this one's light syrup. So if you do want that sweetness, then this is what you'll go for. So right now, it's just blending together. We're gonna give that a minute. Then if you would like this to be thicker, then you can go ahead and add cornstarch and water to thicken it up. And let that simmer for a minute. Everybody else is using like squeezable butter, but I'm going to use what I have, which is sweet cream butter salted. So I'm going to go ahead and grab me a stick and use a bit of that stick in the peaches because I just like that buttery flavor taste. Okay guys, so here's my stick of butter, and I'm just gonna go ahead. So now I'm gonna go ahead and drop that in and let that melt, let that simmer. What I've done is cut the butter up into little squares, and now I'm going to go ahead and put this in the refrigerator for a while to wait for a minute. So I'm going back in and stirring it up, stirring it up, stirring it up, stirring it up, stirring it up. I have my pan, and I'm going to go ahead and butter down the pan. Just butter it down. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and pour in the peaches. Guys, keep this away from you. You do not want to get burned. Okay guys, so I've added in the peaches. Now we're gonna go ahead and grab the cake mix and pour this all over as a covering. You can make it as thick as you like. Spatula, just go ahead and grab a spoon and go ahead and level out the cake mix. You don't have to be as critiqued as I am or as detailed as I am doing, but just make sure that everything is covered. Okay guys, so I have chopped up the butter. So I have chopped up all the butter and placed it on top of the cake mix. And now I'm going to go ahead and place this in the oven. So I've got the oven set on 350 and...
I'm just a little extra.
You are?
But I'm extra with the flavor.
Oh.
Okay. And a little cinnamon. And I usually put, let me see. Oh, I do. Look at the number. That's what I'm talking about. And when you're cooking, you always got...
Okay guys, so I'm gonna let this simmer for, not simmer, I'm gonna let this cool for about 10 minutes. And yeah, I can't wait to dig in there, Check out that crust, you guys. Look at this crust. I did not know that this would cook like this. Like, this is amazing. One thing that I did fail at was adding regular butter when I should have got the squeezed butter like she recommended, because that was basically the liquid agent that was going to bind all of the pie crust. I mean, the cake mix. Okay guys, everything's all done. I'm just gonna go ahead and grab a spatula and grab me a piece, and I will show you guys my creation. Here's what my plate looks like. Word of advice, it's a little juicy. It's a little moist. No. Anyways guys, I would add ice cream to this if I were you. That would make it a bomb.com. I'm gonna go ahead and give this stuff a try. Mine's a little bit runny. I wish I did have some cornstarch or something. Next time I'll try this again, but here goes nothing.